HVAC service call. Problem here is system is blowing hot air. Yeah. That's what we're working with here, folks. Well, the thermostat is off, so we'll turn that on. And
well, that would help, right?
yeah, that would be an expensive switch to turn on, but yeah.
No wonder nothing was happening.
Okay, so now it's blowing. Let's see if it's blowing cold air.
No, I just felt it. Oh, that could be from outside.
Well, the complaint was the system is blowing warm air.
Oh, is that okay?
So yeah, so he probably turned it off because when something's not working right, you turn it off normally.
Right.
He's smart. Yes. All right, let's go outside. All right. All right, so we have this Evcon blowing out cold air. Literally cold air. It's literally blowing out cold air. If you don't believe me, now you believe me? It's blowing out cold air. I keep getting dripped on it. It's like coming from that corner of the gutter. What do you think, folks? I think it's a capacitor, or we have no refrigerant in the system. I'll give you a hint. 212 psi on our low side. Should we check the high side too? Nah. Hey, I didn't install it. Did you hear what I didn't hear? All right, folks. Nailed it. Oh! Hold on. By the way, a week from right now, I may be seeing a certain someone in Florida. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, both hands. I'm using the Meta glasses by Ray-Ban. Oh, I wasn't expecting to see this. All right, before we dig deeper, let's just take a peek, make sure that our wiring is correct. So incoming and T1. Excellent. Okay. I wonder what the deal is here. All right, I had to get my drill in there. You know what? Actually, let's just ground this out. Okay, that brown. That big brown went on the 3-prong, which is a compressor. This big brown went on the 2-prong, which is our fan, and that's our common. Let me get my screwdriver, probably a 5/16. Yeah, I'll take that out. .45/5. Oh yeah, she's swooshing around in there. Definitely fails the shake test. You know what's going to happen now, right? This capacitor is going to test fine. Let's go from Common to Herm, 45. I knew it. Common to fan, 4.9. I knew it. Stay. Okay. Micro channel coil. Ugh, they suck. Let's just check our compressor wires. Yeah. Compressor's a little warm. In there, it looks fine. Well, let's plug her back in and see what happens. Curious. No bueno. All right, take two. Let's see what happens. That compressor do not want to start. Hear that hum? No bueno. All right, take two. Ready? Here we go. Actually, let's just put that read to amperage. Ready, set, fire. No. No hum this time. I bet you we got a hard starting compressor here. All right, let's see if this works. Nope. Wow. Huh. Interesting. Compressor's not even taking power. Wow. We got ourselves a dead compressor. Well, I guess let's take a look at the indoor unit. This first recommendation, obviously on a, I guess we can just get a compressor, right? Come on, they went with an Evcon. And you know that's a Coleman. You know that's a Coleman. They need to stick to making camping gear, not HVAC equipment. You know what? Asking you shall receive. Took a look at the indoor unit. It's a Coleman. It's a Coleman air handler, vertically installed, so upflow. And we're talking about being a mismatched system, the Evcon outdoor unit, the Coleman indoor unit. And I said, this is probably not the first time you have a problem with this system. He goes, no, we replaced the compressor twice already. And I'm like, the definition of insanity is repeating the same steps over and over and over again, expecting different results. In this case, the result is they're trying to have safe, reliable, dependable central air conditioning equipment that will adequately cool and condition the indoor space of this home, and it's not because of idiots, hacks, and hacks bring me stacks. Catch you in the next one. Be well, God bless, stay safe.